Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's go over the 100% win rate challenge. The challenge this year is to achieve a 100% win rate. I don't know what the percentage return will be, but it is a small account, and we'll see if I am capable of achieving a 100% win rate. That's difficult to do, is what most would tell you. Most traditional traders would look at you and go, this guy's insane. He's going to blow up one day. But they don't know the secret. They don't know what I see. They see differently because they read those traditional books with their traditional frameworks from like way back then. They don't see the things that I see. So they see a video like this and think I'm a scam. So far, 100% win rate. $30 made on this account. Not much. And I think I've taken, 6 trades? Yeah, 6 trades. I'm still trying to figure out what's best. You can see I traded NVIDIA for $7. Again, it's a small account. Uranium was cheap, so I loaded up on some uranium. You can tell right away I can't afford much on the small account. Like, I can only afford like $700 worth of you can tell by the cost basis. It's a small account. It's like less than $800. So right now, uranium and NVIDIA have been the money makers, and I'm waiting to see if I think NVIDIA is going to be the one that makes me the most money, but we'll see. But I was trading uranium because that one can move decently too, a good percentage amount. But the goal again is 100% win rate. That's what we're shooting for here. And that's just one account, by the way. I'm doing this challenge on 2 accounts, one with less than $1,000 and one with $2,000. I figured, you know what, let's do 2 of these and let's see what kind of results I get trading one with a little more money and buying just NVIDIA and some Stag. Whereas the other one, I'm kind of freeballing it and jumping in and out of other stocks, mainly as an experiment. But either way, I'm showing you 2 different accounts, 100% win rate. And as you can see here, $65 on this one and 19 trades so far. And you'll notice right away, Stag, NVIDIA is the one. NVIDIA, where else? In ARKB is another volatile one. Stag, NVIDIA, ARKB made $20 on that. So what I'm learning is I'm actually learning a lot. Believe it or not. Despite, I don't know why this says account total. This doesn't make sense. Because, again, you can see on the cost basis, I can't afford much. Because it's such a small account. $2,000 is still small. It's not much. But, $65, that's not bad for a 100% win rate. But I believe I will be able to make more because I did buy NVIDIA on this dip. So right now I'm actually in a trade on this account with NVIDIA and I'm holding for 150 plus. I don't care how long it takes. The goal again is 100% win rate. And let's see what kind of return rate we get in the future. So if NVIDIA does go to 150 plus, which it should at some point, whether it's near or far, I don't care how long it takes again. And I flip that, I should be able to make like $300 on $2,000 to start, which is what, 10%? A little over 10%? Yeah, a little over 10% return on $2,000. So, yeah. So I'm learning. Like when you do 100% win rate challenge, you really have to focus in on the good ones, and you really have to pick your spots because we're swing trading, not day trading. So you really have to position yourself properly. It really focuses you to it really does help you focus. Like okay, which I need to focus on one because I don't got money, right? And I need to be careful with my positioning. If I had positioned myself at 150. When NVIDIA dropped, I'd be holding a bag up there, and now I have to wait for it to come back up for me. But I didn't do that. I waited for it to drop, and I bought in. And now when it goes to 150, I should be able to make about $200 to $300, somewhere around there. If I hold for more, maybe I can get 400, which would net me about 20% return on 100% win rate. We'll see what happens. Again, it's a challenge that I don't see others do. Others do what is it? 1,000 to 25K challenge or something like that. But I'm like, you know what? Let's be different. Let's do something different. Let's do something that others would not dare to do because they wouldn't want to be transparent about this stuff. Number 1. Number 2, it's not easy. It ain't. If it was easy, we'd all do it, right? So we'll see how the challenge goes. It's 1 month in, and so far, so good. I don't know what else to say. I would say 2 months in, actually, because this one started in December. But, yes, so what's 19 trades? 19 trades. Yeah, the return has been pretty horrific. But usually at the beginning of the year, I don't do that well. I actually make more in the later half. I don't know why that is. I have not investigated why that is. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see. We'll do more investigation on that later. But right now, 100% win rate challenge, looking good. You can tell by my cost basis, like I kind of can't really afford much other than stag an NVIDIA and just sit on it and flip it here and there. But the big swing on NVIDIA, I think, is going to be the moneymaker. Like that drop to 120 and under is that's going to be a big moneymaker for anyone who bought in. There you go. That's it. If you want to join the Discord, patreon.com/shadesandtrades. It's $50 a month. If you can't afford $50 a month to potentially achieve 100% win rate, I mean, who does this? Who does a challenge like this? Let me ask you that. Of course they wouldn't, and nor would they be transparent about it, because some of those people are scammers. This is a real channel who keeps it real. And you gotta pay. You pay what you get for, right? Or what is it? You get what you pay for. Not you pay what you get for. You pay what you get for. Okay, I need to get some sleep, but you get what you pay for. Yeah, you get what you pay for. All right, guys. That's it. I'll see you on Monday.